Welcome to AMOR CNC, where cutting edge meets cutting precision. Our high-quality CNC gasket cutting machines are engineered to perfection, designed to meet every seal material cutting need you might have, with the versatility to handle materials like non-asbestos, rubber, silicone, graphite reinforced, PTFE, and epoxy resin boards. Our machines ensure your gaskets are always cut just right. Precision is not just a word for us, it's our benchmark. Thanks to dual Mitsubishi servo motors and precision reducers on the x-axis, coupled with high-precision helical racks and high-vin rails from Taiwan, your gaskets are cut with unmatched accuracy. Struggling with vacuum hold? Worry no more. Our machines come equipped with high-power vacuum pumps and a zoned adsorption design, offering full surface to localized suction that keeps your materials firmly in place. And forget about complex CAD drawing. Our software comes preloaded with over 50 gasket shapes. Just input your data, and you're ready to cut. Optimizing material usage with automatic nesting.